Come with me to try the first test on my formula. Yes, we are trying for the first time. I have everything in my table that I need, from distilled water, coconut oil, isopropyl alcohol. This alcohol is very specific, so I can work like in the same level that I work in a regular laboratory. And here I have my weight. My weight, it will be useful for my formula because everything have to be weighted one by one. And I have to make sure that I have the exact amount that my formula says. So it's going to be very helpful, and we're going to be doing it step by step. First, I will be weighing everything. I try to weigh every single of my things before I even start. The water, the glycerin, the butters. I have different butters. I have a jojoba butter, babosa butter, mango butter. I have many different oils. I also have a water, like distilled water. I have some things called emulsifiers, and what this does is that keep everything together, because sometimes we are missing oils and water, like they have to be mixed. And I weigh everything, as I say, that's what we have to do. And after, I have to put everything in boiling water. I let to go at least minus 70 Celsius. That's what it says. My formula. And once everything is at least minus 70 Celsius, I have to mix all my things. Like those small pills that you saw early, I also have to make them to go like water, liquids. So then I put everything together and I mix it until it have the texture that I was waiting for. That same texture that you have in every single cream. I really like it how it looks, because it was like, I was surprised that I actually got this. I have another ingredient that I have to put in the end, including my preservative. I need preservative. I want the cream to stay at least for a year and have expiration date. And lately, my fragrances. I will say that I add every single of these fragrances because I want to see how they smell. And I want low smell products. So I have to be testing in this formula. When I added my percent of products, it was a lot. It was very higher. So once I finish of mixing and everything, the cream was okay, I put it inside my container so I could test it in the following days. I have to say that this is only the first test. I'm happy with the results of me creating the formula. I feel like I was in a regular lab. So I like the experience. The product in the end, I like the product, but I think that it left my hair to, like, I like more volume than what the product give me. So for that reason, we're going to have more testing. That's the idea of testing, that you can be trying and testing multiple times. I also didn't like the amount of fragrance that I have. I want to make it a little bit lower in the fragrance. And this is my result. Please, if you really like this video, this kind of videos, and you would like to buy my product in the future, just like it and follow me here in TikTok. We're going to be